Hey friends, it's Running Kimono. So I scurried off to either Office Depot or Office Max. They're the same company now, and they have a lot of paper products that are on clearance. And basically, I looked online and they were not showing for the clearance price that people were showing that they were getting on social media that 2 equals 6 is $1 and then the 12 equals 36 was $5, but I got it for 50 cents and 250, and I will explain that in a second. But it wasn't even marked in my store. It was just in some random in the back of the store. And I didn't even clear the store because these are so massive, it'll take up half of your car. I just got like four of them. And if you can get out to one of those office stores, maybe check the inventory online, and this stuff will be peppered through either a display, the regular paper aisle in the front, or in the back of the store. You might have to do a bit of a treasure hunt. But the first one is a 1 equals 6. The original price for this is $4.99, and it's on clearance for $1. 2 equals 6. That's where you're really going to have to pay attention. And to pay $1 for these 2-packs, like, that is just a crazy price point. I paid 50 cents. Pay attention, guys. 2 equals 6. Don't be shy to even go to the photo counter and say, hey, could I possibly get a price check? Or at the front, ask a cashier for a price check. And I know here in Michigan, and I have a friend up in Texas, it's $1 across the board. Here's the UPC, and that is absolutely fantastic. So again, as stated, you're either going to find this in the regular aisle, you're going to find it into some center cap where they have Kleenex, paper towels, stuff to get ready to go back to school, even though school just ended, or this regular aisle with the different detergents and paper products and so on and so forth. So you're definitely going to have to do a little bit of a treasure hunt, or if you're not shy, just ask the employees at the store, like, do you know where this stuff might be located? And they can check in their computers and tell you the exact amount. And I would also take a look for these products. But $1 or 50 cents, it's absolutely fantastic. Okay, so for these big monster packs, they are a 12 equals 36. They're $5 each. And I'm going to let you guys know, if you are living in a smaller apartment or tiny homes, this will take up probably half of your house. They are massive. So you're going to really have to choose, do you want the 2-packs or these? The 2-packs are easier to store than these big ones because they are massive. And then just to show you the back, it's a 12 equals 36. Again, when I'm saying you got to pay attention, it's for a reason. And here's the UPC. Definitely, I look online for quantities and then go in store and ask for price checks. And that's how I did it this morning. And then just to show you, I got 4 of those monster rolls, already kind of regretting it. You could see they were $5 a pop. And then at the register, the cashier's like, hey, do you have one of our store cards, or you're part of our program? I'm like, I have no idea. I gave her my phone number, and she's like, yeah, we're doing a 10 off coupon. And I'm like, but I only bought $20 of stuff. She's like, doesn't matter. She did something, scanned something. It wasn't anything I could provide for her, but this coupon is behind the register, and I got $10 off. So Aunt Rach paid $10.60 for 4-pack of those 12 equals 36. So this is how I would do it, because then it makes my 12-pack $2.50 instead of $5, because I'm getting it half off. And then those little cute 2-packs, if you can track down 20 of them, they're 50 cents a pop. Now these are also on hidden clearance. They weren't tagged, and they were in a center aisle. It's the 6 equals 36 on the Charmin Ultra Soft or Strong, and I'm going to show you the UPC as well. And I believe they are like $5.87 each, which is a little bit too expensive for this girl. So I mean, if they dropped to like $2 or $3, I would be all over it. But to pay $6 for this, I prefer to get the Scott paper towel, because we use a lot of it. We have a lot of pets. So we're always cleaning up a mess, and we probably go through a good roll of paper towel every other day, especially for elderly cats. And I'm going to show you guys the UPCs here. So walk through the store, look at the paper products, look for K-cups I've seen on clearance, fabric softener, Ziploc bags. I mean, if it's in your budget and you want to look for the stuff and buy it, by all means. And this is the other UPC for the other roll of paper. I also saw a bunch of like snacks. They might have a really quick best by date, especially with these gummy consistency. You don't want something that, is really expired. So definitely look at the expiry date for the nuts and these Welch's little fruit snacks. $9.92. Like for a 40 pack. You tell me if that's a good deal. I guess it's better than Sam's or Costco for a price point. But they had a whole lot of stuff. I would get out there right away and figure out, are you going to go for the large packs or the small packs? And this morning, nothing was tagged at my store, and it was Candyland. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Good luck. Bye.